Simplify your lawn. Transform your front yard into a minimalist. In today's fast-paced world, simplicity has become a key aspect of living a balanced life. While minimalism, our living spaces, is gaining popularity, we often overlook our outdoor areas when it comes to creating a minimalist haven. This article will guide you through the process of your front yard into a serene and elegant space that radiates simplicity and tranquility. By incorporating minimalist design principles and innovative landscaping techniques, you can enhance your curb appeal and create an outdoor living space that complements your minimalist lifestyle. Embrace minimalist landscaping. To start your front yard transformation, it's essential to embrace minimalist landscaping. Keep your design clean and uncluttered by incorporating straight lines, geometric shapes, and a limited color palette. Opt for native plants and grasses that require minimal maintenance and create a harmonious blend with your surroundings. Remember, simplicity is key. Focus on simplicity in outdoor design. When it comes to outdoor living, prioritize simplicity and functionality in your design choices. Instead of cluttering your front yard with unnecessary decor, choose an elegant focal point like a streamlined bench or a simple water feature. Make use of natural materials such as stone or wood to add warmth and authenticity to your space. Utilize strategic plant placement. Strategic plant placement can play a crucial role in achieving a minimalist look in your front yard. Create a sense of unity by grouping plants together according to their shapes and colors. Incorporate textures through carefully chosen plant varieties, but ensure they do not overwhelm the overall design. Consider using low-maintenance succulents or evergreen shrubs to add interest without requiring excessive upkeep. Create defined spaces with subheadings. To enhance the organization and structure of your front yard, utilize subheadings to delineate different functional areas. Designate spaces for seating, a pathway, or even a minimalist play area for children. By creating defined spaces, you offer a sense of purpose to your front yard while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. A minimalist haven with thoughtful decor. Minimalism doesn't mean leaving your outdoor space completely bare. Select a few carefully chosen decor pieces that align with your minimalist design philosophy. Opt for simple and timeless outdoor furniture pieces, complemented by neutral colored cushions. Consider incorporating natural elements such as pebbles, gravel, or minimalist planters to add visual interest without overwhelming the space. Transforming your front yard into a minimalist haven requires intention and a keen eye for design. By incorporating minimalist principles, focusing on simplicity, and strategically planning your outdoor space, you can create a serene and elegant front yard that enhances your living experience. Embrace the beauty of minimalism, let nature shine, and enjoy the tranquility that your transformed front yard brings. Remember, creating a minimalist haven is not only about aesthetics. It's about fostering a sense of calm and balance in your daily life. Explore these garden ideas and embark on your outdoor makeover journey today. In the fast-paced world we live in, finding simplicity and tranquility in our daily lives has become increasingly important. Transforming your front yard into a minimalist haven not only creates an aesthetically pleasing outdoor space, but also provides a peaceful haven for relaxation and contemplation. In this article, we will explore practical tips and ideas to help you simplify your lawn and embrace the beauty of minimalist outdoor design. Embrace minimalist landscaping. To achieve a minimalist front yard, start by decluttering and simplifying your landscaping. Remove unnecessary elements such as excessive plants, ornaments, and cluttered flower beds. Opt for clean lines, open spaces, and a limited color palette. Consider using low-maintenance plants and incorporating stones or gravel for a minimalist touch. Prioritize simplicity in outdoor living. Create a functional, yet minimalistic outdoor living area that reflects simplicity and comfort. Choose sleek and modern furniture with clean lines and neutral colors. Keep the number of furnishings minimal, focusing on quality rather than quantity. Utilize multifunctional pieces to maximize space. Incorporate minimalist outdoor decor. Select outdoor decor that complements the minimalist aesthetic of your front yard. Stick to a few selectively chosen pieces that add visual interest without overpowering the space. Opt for simple and timeless decor such as large geometric planters, minimalist sculptures, or decorative outdoor lighting. Transform your front yard into a haven. A minimalist front yard should serve as a peaceful haven for relaxation and rejuvenation. Create a cozy seating area with comfortable cushions and blankets. Consider adding a water feature or a small Zen garden to enhance the calming atmosphere. Use natural materials like wood or stone to connect with nature. Enhance curb appeal with minimalism. Minimalist design can greatly enhance the curb appeal of your home. Pay attention to the overall aesthetic and coherence of your front yard. Ensure that the external elements of your house, such as the front door, windows, and facade, align with the minimalist concept. Incorporate simple lighting fixtures to illuminate pathways and highlight key features. Transforming your front yard into a minimalist haven is not only visually pleasing, but also offers a sense of tranquility and simplicity. Embracing minimalist design principles in landscaping, outdoor living, decor, and overall outdoor makeover will create a harmonious sanctuary that reflects your personal style and promotes a peaceful lifestyle. By implementing these minimalist garden ideas, you can create a front yard that will truly impress with its understated elegance and timeless beauty. So, start simplifying your lawn today and enjoy the serenity of your minimalist haven.